Warm welcome from Everyday GMP, a training and solution providers for pharmaceuticals. Welcome to today's YouTube video, where we dive into a topic that is vital for all pharmaceutical professionals. The 7 essential skills that can elevate your career in the pharma industry. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, these skills are fundamental for success in this ever-evolving field. Join me as we explore each skill in detail and discover how they can empower you to make a significant impact in the pharmaceutical world. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets to becoming a top-tier pharma professional. Get ready to take your career to new heights. Hello, and welcome to this informative video on the 7 essential skills for pharma professionals. Today, we will explore each skill in detail, from technical expertise to adaptability, that can shape your success in the pharmaceutical industry. So, let's jump right in and discover how mastering these skills can pave the way for a thriving career in pharma. Today we'll be discuss Introduction, Technical Expertise, Communication Skills, Analytical Thinking, Regulatory Compliance, Problem-Solving Abilities, Teamwork and Collaboration, Adaptability and Flexibility. Conclusion. Before we start, look at a slide recommended top 10 skills of 2025 given by World Economic Forum. These are 1. Complex problem solving, 2. Critical thinking, 3. Creativity, 4. Emotional intelligence, 5. Cognitive flexibility, 6. People management, 7. Coordinating with others, 8. Negotiation skills, 9. Technology skills, such as AI, data analysis, and programming. 10. Resilience and adaptability. So before start, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. Introduction. Pharmaceutical professionals hold vital positions within the healthcare industry, contributing to the development, manufacturing, and distribution of life-saving medications. To thrive in their careers and make a significant impact, these professionals need to possess a specific set of essential skills. This presentation aims to delve into the intricacies of 7 key skills that are fundamental for pharma professionals. These skills include technical expertise, communication skills, analytical thinking, regulatory compliance, problem-solving abilities, teamwork and collaboration, and adaptability and flexibility. By acquiring and honing these skills, pharma professionals can navigate the complexities of the industry, drive innovation, ensure regulatory compliance, and ultimately contribute to improved patient outcomes. Number 1. Technical expertise. Pharma professionals must possess a deep understanding of the technical aspects related to pharmaceuticals. This includes comprehensive knowledge of drug development processes, manufacturing techniques, quality control measures, and regulatory compliance. Staying updated with the latest advancements and industry trends is essential in this rapidly evolving field. By continuously expanding their technical expertise, pharma professionals can effectively contribute to the development and production of safe and effective medications, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards, and meeting the needs of patients and healthcare providers. Number 2. Effective communication is a fundamental skill for pharma professionals. Strong verbal and written communication skills. By honing their communication skills, pharma professionals can build strong professional relationships and contribute to the successful delivery of pharmaceutical products and services. Number 3. Analytical thinking. Pharma professionals must be proficient in analyzing complex data, conducting scientific research, and interpreting results. Strong analytical thinking skills enable them to make informed decisions, identify patterns and trends, and derive meaningful insights from vast amounts of information. By applying critical thinking and analytical reasoning, pharma professionals can contribute to evidence-based decision-making, design efficient research studies, and assess the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products. Analytical thinking skills also help in troubleshooting problems, identifying potential risks, and driving continuous improvement in drug development and clinical trials. Number 4. Regulatory compliance. Compliance with regulatory guidelines and standards is of utmost importance in the pharmaceutical industry. Pharma professionals need to have a comprehensive understanding of the regulatory frameworks governing drug development, manufacturing, and distribution. This includes adhering to good manufacturing practices, GMP, good clinical practices, GCP, and relevant local and international regulations. A strong knowledge of regulatory requirements ensures that pharmaceutical products meet quality standards, are safe for consumption, and undergo rigorous testing and documentation. By staying abreast of regulatory changes and maintaining compliance, pharma professionals contribute to patient safety and uphold the integrity of the industry. Number 5. Problem-solving abilities. Pharma professionals encounter various challenges throughout their careers, ranging from formulation issues to logistical complexities. Possessing strong problem-solving skills is essential for identifying and resolving these challenges effectively. Pharma professionals need to be able to analyze problems, identify root causes, and develop innovative solutions. By employing creative problem-solving techniques, such as brainstorming, data analysis, and collaboration with cross-functional teams, they can overcome obstacles, streamline processes, and ensure the timely delivery of high-quality pharmaceutical products and services. Number 6 skill is teamwork and collaboration. The pharmaceutical industry often involves multidisciplinary teams working towards common goals. Strong teamwork and collaboration skills are essential for effective project management, cross-functional coordination, and fostering a positive work environment. Pharma professionals need to collaborate with researchers, scientists, regulatory experts, marketers, and healthcare professionals. By actively engaging in teamwork, sharing knowledge, and fostering open communication, they can leverage diverse perspectives, combine expertise, and drive innovation. Strong teamwork and collaboration contribute to efficient workflow, enhanced problem-solving, and the successful delivery of pharmaceutical solutions that address the needs of patients and healthcare providers. Number 7. Adaptability and flexibility. The pharmaceutical industry is subject to rapid technological advancements, evolving regulations, and emerging therapeutic approaches. In this dynamic landscape, pharma professionals must possess adaptability and flexibility to thrive. They must actively embrace change, willingly acquire new skills, and stay informed about the latest trends in the industry. By being adaptable and flexible, professionals can navigate the shifting landscape, embrace innovation, and contribute to the development of cutting-edge pharmaceutical solutions. They can readily adjust to new methodologies, implement novel technologies, and adapt to evolving regulatory requirements. Embracing adaptability and flexibility enables pharma professionals to remain competitive, drive progress, and positively impact patient outcomes. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the 7 essential skills for pharma professionals is vital for success in the industry. By continuously developing technical expertise, pharma professionals can stay ahead of advancements and ensure the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. Effective communication skills enable them to collaborate and convey information effectively. Analytical thinking helps in making informed decisions and contributing to innovation. Regulatory compliance ensures adherence to guidelines and standards. Problem-solving abilities drive continuous improvement. Teamwork and collaboration foster a positive work environment and enable multidisciplinary collaboration. Adaptability and flexibility allow professionals to embrace change and stay relevant. By honing these skills, pharma professionals can excel in their careers, contribute to the advancement of healthcare, and make a positive impact on patient outcomes. Everyday GMP is available for providing solutions. The full training courses are available on demand for on-site, online, and hybrid forms. Please subscribe to the channel to get more videos.